The festive season now poses the greatest threat to the health and well-being of our nation. It poses the greatest threat also to the recovery of our economy. Cabinet has decided to also declare the following 2 districts as coronavirus hotspots, and these are the Sarah Baartman District and secondly the Garden Route District. This all means that the same additional restrictions that we applied to Nelson Mandela Bay will apply in these districts with immediate effect from midnight tonight and will continue until we see a clear and sustained decline in infections. Cabinet has decided that further restrictions need to be imposed nationwide from midnight tonight with immediate effect. Firstly, we will ensure that there is stricter enforcement of existing Alert Level 1 restrictions throughout the country during the festive season and beyond. Gatherings, including religious gatherings, may not be attended by more than 100 people for indoor events and 250 for outdoor events. At all times, and particularly in smaller venues, the total number of people in a venue may not exceed more than 50% of the capacity of the venue. All post-funeral gatherings, the so-called after-tears parties, are prohibited. In the areas with the highest rate of infection, beaches and public parks will be closed for the duration of the festive season from the 16th of December to the 3rd of January. This will apply specifically to all of the Eastern Cape, as well as the Garden Route District in the Western Cape. In KwaZulu-Natal beaches and public parks, this will be closed on what are traditionally the busiest days of the season. And these days are the 16th of December, the 25th, the 26th, 31st of December, as well as the 1st and the 2nd and the 3rd of January 2021. The beaches and public parks of the Northern Cape and the Western Cape, with the exception of the Garden Route, will remain open to the public over the festive season. Festivals, live music, live performances at beaches are prohibited. Beaches and parks that are open to the public will only be open between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. The hours of the curfew will be longer, starting at 11 p.m. and ending at 4 a.m. We should all remember that the hours of curfew also apply to Christmas Eve, on New Year's Eve. Non-essential establishments, including restaurants and bars, will have to close at 10 p.m. The sale of alcohol from retail outlets will only be permitted between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. from Monday to Thursday. The responsible individuals who do not ensure compliance with the regulations by their passengers, customers, or employees will be liable to a fine or to imprisonment of up to 6 months.